Hi, welcome to this elegant five-bedroom flat roof maisonette, a perfect blend of modern architecture, spacious living, and functional design. As you step inside, you are welcomed by a bright and expansive living area designed to offer comfort while making a strong first impression. The large windows allow natural light to flow in, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the space. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, thoughtfully positioned for easy access and seamless family interaction. The open plan layout enhances movement while maintaining a sense of connection between spaces. The kitchen is modern and well equipped, featuring ample cabinetry, generous countertop space, and a practical layout that supports both everyday cooking and special occasions. A separate pantry provides additional storage for conveniences. On the ground floor, you'll find a guest room or a guest bedroom, ideal for visitors, alongside a common bathroom for easy accessibility. There's also a provision for additional utility space depending on your lifestyle needs. Moving upstairs, the first door offers a private family lounge, a cozy area perfect for relaxation, entertainment, or family bonding. This level hosts four bedroom, including a spacious master and suite complete with the private bathrooms and wardrobe space. The master bedroom is designed for comfort and privacy, offering a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. The remaining bedrooms are well proportioned, sharing common bathroom facilities, making them ideal for children, guests, or even a home office setup. At the top, the flat roof design not only gives the maisonette a clean, modern, and aesthetic, but also provides potential for a rooftop terrace, solar installation, or future expansion, or even tank storages. Outside, the structure features a simple yet stylish facade with clean lines that emphasize contemporary design, along with parking space and a well-planned compound. This five-bedroom flat roof maisonette is designed to meet the need of a modern family, offering space, comfort, flexibility, and timeless appeal. If you need a similar design, any on our YouTube channel, kindly reach us out, or you want any professional services, um, kindly reach us out on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Thank you.